Hi folks. Well, them there bum Democrats in the state of Connecticut are at it again with their anti-Catholic crusade. Look. Let me explain to you what that is about. Some months ago I posted a video in reference to it, whereas the state of Connecticut in their legislature, they had a bill pending before it that would have required only Catholic churches to have finance boards in each one of their churches as an oversight on how the money is spent within each church. It was only being required of Catholic churches, no other religious institutions in the state. Well, the Democrats gave an excuse as to this was, well, one priest has scoundreled $1.3 million. That's just a masquerade. It's a cover-up for their true intentions. The Democrats have to eliminate, if not neutralize, the Catholic Church, and this was the first salvo fired in that war. They have to go after the Catholic Church because the Catholic Church is pro-life where Democrats are pro-abortion. The Catholic Church believes in marriage between a man and a woman, whereas Democrats believe marriage between same-sex couples. So they have to go after the Catholic Church, and they use any excuse they can to eliminate the opposition. That's what that's about. So Catholics all over the state rose up, and they finally got that piece of legislation thrown out. But in that pursuit, the Archdiocese of Bridgeport, Connecticut, the town I was born in, rented buses to transport its parishioners to Hartford, Connecticut, the capital, to petition their elected representatives. Well, the Democrats, they don't follow laws. They don't follow the will of the people. They are now telling the Archdiocese you will be penalized because you spent over $2,000 renting those buses, in essence making you lobbyists. Lobbyists? Lobbyists are people you hired to speak on your behalf. Nobody was hired to speak on their behalf because the people spoke on behalf of themselves. What these people in Connecticut are doing, the Democrats, they are in violation of the First Amendment to the United States Constitution. Specifically, three aspects of it. The first one being, Congress shall make no law respecting the establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof. They're in essence trying to prohibit the free exercise of the Catholic Church within the state of Connecticut. The second aspect they're in violation of, free speech. Those people were going to Hartford, Connecticut to speak. Free speech. That's what they were doing. The third aspect that they're in violation of, which I feel is the most important here, is this part. That's right. The right of the people to peaceably assemble and to petition their government for redress of grievances. In essence, they're trying to silence the state of Connecticut or penalize them for exercising their rights under the First Amendment of the Constitution. Yeah! That's what they're doing, kids. The Constitution state. You need to change that, kids. Now, I know it's in reference to some laws written in the 1600s, not our current Constitution. Alright, folks. We'll see you. Beware of Democrats if you're Catholic. Alright, folks. We'll see you. God bless you. God bless America. And God bless the nation you happen to be in. See ya.
We are springing to the far for 300,000 more. Shout.